think. I'm not sure. No, that was Goose May Cry yesterday. They tried to
Do you
take.
hear me, guys?
Yes?
Jungle bot
Okay.
active.
Alright, let's go, let's go. Have fun. They're insta sending it. City protest pop, city protest pop.
Got the thing is a nameless. What is going on?
Yeah,
Roof?
just come it right after, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. They're trying to leave, don't let them regroup, don't let them regroup. Chase them onto roofs.
Uh-oh.
Behind the tower, behind the tower.
Yeah, look on tower now, look on tower now.
Rework.
Nameless free casting on 12. Delilah on horse. Guardian palms onto tower, guys. Everybody guardian palms onto tower.
I'm on the bulwark.
Don't even die.
Yeah, he's fine.
Antonia can die, Antonia can die. Antonia dead.
Run him.
Might have us.
Guys, I need more disrupt from you guys. Pick
On the
a
red.
nameless and stick to that nameless. I see people free casting all game long. I'm gonna play on Hakumi on tower for now.
Nice.
Pulling on tower, pulling tower 12.
Does their healer
They're back again.
on their back?
Subaru is back.
He missed. Well,
Keep it up. I'm also on Hakumi.
Yeah, healer is in the back, Tenshi. Jumping him. Spear.
Subaru low.
I have a...
Tenchi's dead.
Delilah on 6, now 12 can die.
She gonna revive Tenchi revived.
Yeah, I'm chasing it.
Delilah is dead, Delilah get
Elvish.
revived.
Subaru is on his second life.
Stratold is on tower, keep it up. They're bombing, declamp away from tower here.
Tenchi on second life too.
Never mind.
I do it now.
Got
I do
no.
mine now.
and bells
Yep.
coming. Delilah free casting on 6, another nameless free casting on 6.
On dot.
Someone look at Chu, someone look at Chu.
Boss gonna spawn on 25.
Try to take jungle and then boss.
City protection and popped in 3, 2, 1.
Tenchi.
City prot is popped. That's fine, we have city prot. Look to kill them now, look to kill them.
I bombed on boss shop.
Yeah, she's dead.
I have 1 in 3. Is dog guy in jungle?
Declamp again on mid, declamp again on mid.
I'm gonna pull down boss shop now. Oh my god, so fucking late.
Jungle in 60 seconds.
Don't forget the jungles. The chickens, I mean.
They're pulling on tower, declamp away from the tower. 2 billion stratols, declamp away from the tower.
Tenchi needs to die.
Stick to the nameless.
Jungle in 40 seconds.
Wait, we lost mid tower. Get ready
Fuck, I
to
died in the
jungle.
tower.
When does boss spawn? Do we know?
If you know, you can reply.
You know, let's just take the jungle and then get back,
G5 is gonna take top side jungle. No chickens. G5 top, G4 bot side jungle. G6
Jungle
into
in
base.
20 seconds.
Yeah, one guy is going jungle from them. On,
I have
on the
3
bot. Yeah.
on near side, bottom side.
G6 full
Three right now.
summit into base.
We try to kill them.
Yeah, 5 seconds.
Never mind, they can't be good.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, G5 topside jungle. Move.
Shit, I don't know if we take it.
G4 bot side.
Go
and
boss,
then
go
come
boss.
back and grab chickens.
I need heal, I
They're
need
pulling
heal.
on
I'm
three.
gonna do it
Yeah, I'm
yellow
getting
here.
focus right now. So.
I'm going back for chicken.
Yeah.
Yeah. I guess I'll just go this.
Nice.
Got the chicken, I'm going
Need
boss.
G5 in base. Play careful now. Play safe.
Oh my god, they're straggling the chickens.
We need healing ult.
Yeah, pulling on 3 on 3 on 3.
Trying to heal you before.
Declump. No bombs. The declump fully away from tree. Create space.
I'm going wrong side. Oh my god.
Yeah, no, I can't pick up the chickens.
20 second healing on.
What is?
60%.
right now. Everybody play
I'm
live.
not making-
Healing
Around
ult, we have
50.
one.
Around 40.
10 seconds healing on.
Dropping
Bombing
ult.
top just for
Now,
space.
Healing ult is dropped.
I box on horse.
I'm extending it. Send it on the bomb. Center.
Yeah, pulling us right.
Go.
Middle.
Keep it up.
Healing
And
ult.
declump again.
Wall or their wall.
Good job.
Do we throw it now? Oh wait.
Immunity is popped. I popped immunity. Immunity is popped.
So in 3, 2, 1. Now. Nice.
Got it?
They
Or
still
you got
have
it? Nice,
15
nice,
people
nice.
here, so play live. Nice, come back insta come back, good job.
Yellow ult is in bottom.
Look in mid gate. The goose is mid gate. Don't let them free cast from mid gate.
Who's in the middle?
Just make your up. The goose is right in center. I'm dropping healing ult in center now.
Yeah, pulling it for a second.
Pulling as well. It's a good bomb in center. Commit to it again. You're all dying. Keep it up. Nice. And declump again. Everybody onto horse.
Yeah.
Good healing ult. Get onto horse.
Free casters
Stop
on 3.
breathing.
Free casters on 3.
Nice. If the tank has ult, bomb them. We have control again. Keep it up here. Goose is on top side. Moving towards top grass. Pull on top. Bombing on top. On top.
Yellow ult top.
Get out of this bomb. We're wiping.
No, we're fine.
Got them.
Goose is bot gas. I'm pulling bot.
Goose is sitting in center. I'm pulling on center here. Pulling on center. On goose. Oh my god, don't follow it.
Going in the middle now as well.
Don't forget to horse as well, I guess.
Yeah, keep on horsing. Horses and foot are bones. Healing ult down in center.
Jungle in 60 seconds.
Get ready for jungle in 60. G4 is gonna take care of jungle.
Jungle in 40 seconds.
Don't let the goose drop to 20. Keep it up.
Yeah, box and goose.
Pulling middle.
Hey, you thanks me.
Picking up the chickens.
Oh my god. Horse if you
I'm
guys
pulled
can. Horse if you guys can.
Pulling just for space.
I'm going jungle.
Jungle in 20 seconds.
Jungle.
Body.
You guys can test it in jungle?
No.
Not at the moment.
Okay, okay.
It's
I'll
okay, it's
stay
okay,
here
it's
for
okay.
now.
Just don't let the goose die here.
Yeah, they are
G4
coming
is
now.
gonna take care of
Top.
jungle.
Okay,
They're
okay.
sending it.
Yeah. I'm up
G5,
top,
G6, get ready
but
to
they're
follow.
coming here.
Me and Raids.
I think they're coming
Me
to
and
jungle,
Raids,
so
we stay in base.
Yeah, a
The
lot.
rest of G6
yeah, the whole
and G5,
team.
you guys send it top and play PvP focus.
I'm sitting with chicken on
They have a lot.
near bottom.
So I might have a pool for the top sides. I think they have a pool actually.
I think we get. Oh shit.
Yeah.
Oh,
Raids and me play in base.
I'm going back.
Don't let him pick, don't let him pick.
Oh.
Frog him and cloud step him.
I
Raids.
got the jungle.
Pulling on jungle, top jungle.
Yeah, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
King cult on the bottom jungle.
Any people to come back now? Any people to come back? They pick. G6 move in front. They'll sprint.
I have a heal for it, if it is.
Yeah, look on tree carrier. Send it on tree.
Anti-heal in the tree.
Full tree. Tree stab, nice. And pulling in front now.
It's anti-heal in front of it as well. On you. Anti-heal.
In front. Send it.
On the carrier as well, we can finish him off.
And declump again.
30
We're in
seconds
2 billion strats on the road.
22.
Healing ult in center. Down in center. Declump away from the tree. Take the sides. Take control over sides. Only G6 on tree.
Heal on tree.
Look on tree in 3, 2, 1. Now. Bomb it on tree. And declump again. Tree's dead. Declump.
Top side.
Good job.
Just in case.
Look top side. Need tanks in top side.
Middle gate.
They have a tree carrier again. We have space. Look on tree. Get ready to bomb him in 3, 2, 1, and bomb the tree. Bomb the tree. Nah, they've eaten us up. We need anti-heal.
It's anti-heal now. Everything is anti-heal on the tree.
Pulling on tree as well. Pulling on tree. Get away. Get out from tree. Get out.
I'm trying to heal you.
Give me a res if possible. I can revive.
Not for sure.
Heal
Oh,
on
you
tree.
did twice.
Everybody push top side. Deep top.
Golden body.
Clear the top side of tree. Full clear top side of tree.
King
Healing all
cult in
down
front
on
of.
tree.
Okay, the lower.
They're sprinting. Oh my god, bro.
I'm going
everybody
outside.
Everybody
I'm
outside.
going outside.
Take full control over top side here. And keep it. G6 play in front of the tree.
Outside on Sebi.
On tree. Look on tree now.
Pulling on Sebi right now. On the bot
Big
side.
pull. Body's up.
Guys. Look on the tree. Tree can die. Tree's anti-healed. Everybody look on tree. Bomb on tree. And declump.
Jungle in
Tree's
60
dead.
seconds.
Get out.
In
Take
front.
full control of the top side again. Tanks into 12. I need tanks on 12.
Jungle guys in 30 seconds.
They're all horsing. Horse as well.
Jungle in 40 seconds.
Don't fucking
I'm
die
going
now.
for the jungle.
Obviously, it's good if you have pulls. Not anymore actually.
Tanks, continue to play on 12.
I took the chicken going to jungle.
Body's up.
Many name this is and 3 castles in front of the tree.
Jungle in 20
Pulling ult
seconds.
down
Yeah, I'm
on
following
12.
this pull.
Pulling on 12 as well. Pulling on 12.
Big pull.
12. Send it.
Don't let you heal here.
Jungle guys.
Yeah.
Chickens.
They go in jungle.
We have
Tree
no
carry
one
the
on top.
anti-heals in 3 seconds.
On
I'm
tree,
going
on
top,
tree,
I'm
we
going
have
top.
space.
No, no,
on
no,
tree,
no,
on
group
tree,
tree
on
carrier.
tree. Tree drop, good shit, good shit. Look on jungle now. G5, send the top side and PvP. G5 top
I
side.
missed the
PvP
chicken.
focus. Go.
Missed as well.
You don't have a chicken?
I missed it. I missed the throw.
G6
I have 5
stay
on
on
me.
tree. G6 stay on
Fuck,
tree.
they took it. Record. Ah.
I'm not sure if
What's
I'm
gonna on soon too?
Bro, look on Kerrigan.
Bro, the whole team went on jungle. What the fuck?
Yeah. We can come from behind them and do something here. I have anti-heal.
We're getting tree right now already.
If you have
Boss
both,
is-
do it.
boss
We're
is
one
bottom.
party down for boss. We're one party down for boss. Do
We
not
can-
clump up, do not clump up. Spread around the tree,
gonna
spread
take
around
chicken
the
again
tree.
for the
Tanks look
boss.
towards 12.
I'm going for the chicken as well.
Move into 12 here. I need people to move into 12.
Our offense already going.
Of the
to
trees.
boss.
Yeah, we gotta pull
Pulling
from them.
deep
And
12
go
for
for
space.
the-
Pulling
next
deep 12 for
trees.
space.
I'm coming for the chicken.
Killing all them from not a tree. Tree carry anti-heals.
A box on tree.
Boss is empty.
I have a chicken now. Yeah. I'm
I have
coming.
chicken. I'm on boss.
Tanks on 12.
you can't
Tanks
God
keep
damn
on
it, what are you
playing on
doing with
12.
them?
Look
Oh
on
my
tree, look on
days.
tree. Tree can still die. Tree's dead. Declump away from tree now. Everybody
5 seconds, I'll be there.
declump.
Already
Healing
know.
ult is down
Oh,
in 12 on 12.
Boss.
Healing ult on 12.
I'm throwing.
I missed.
I missed.
Keep the pressure. Keep the
Throwing now,
pressure.
throwing
Chase
now.
them here on 12. Chase them.
The fucking bot keeps
The only
jumping.
blues here.
Nice.
Yeah,
We got it.
Yeah.
G6 stay around the tree. G6 stay around the tree. G5 play a bit deeper here. They have a tree carrier again. Everybody look on tree. We can kill him. We have the pressure. Everybody
tree.
3, 2, 1. On tree. Now. Bump on tree.
pulling 12 guys
Bump on
now.
tree.
They running.
And trees that declump again. Declump.
They running back. A
Good
lot of
shit.
people gonna follow them.
Careful offense there. Come on you guys. We're sending it. Play live.
We're
G4,
following them,
G5
right?
offense.
Yeah,
G4,
yeah,
G5
come.
offense. Go. G6 as well. Only me and raids. Only me and raids stay.
Pulling in middle of the road on them.
Full send it offense. Shia call for
Yeah.
as well.
Okay, get ready. Everybody get ready. We're gonna fucking full bomb towards the driver. Any fucking moblades that you have, just fucking use them in 3, 2, 1. Send it. Full fucking send it. Full fucking send it. Ult and then horse. Get the fuck away from the fucking bombs.
Okay, we need G6 back. What the fuck?
Keep fucking spreading. We cannot fucking die here.
Getting
Guys.
all
They
down
will
in
not
front of tree. They're sprinting.
Need a driver. Sprint it. Sprint. Dollies on tree. Sprint. Nice. Get away from tree.
Back. G6, we
King
need you
cult
back.
on the
Good fucking
offensive.
shit.
Yeah, we
I don't know. Gomena, they're moving your tree.
We wipe them.
Yeah,
We wiped
I
them.
know. I already called people back.
Yeah, we should have never
Okay.
left it.
Everybody
group
come back.
6 zone.
Everybody come back here. We're pulling everybody out.
Yeah, we're good here, guys. You can go back.
Pulling on tree.
Look on 12. They're coming back. Goal, if you can drop the tree. Tisha's
Commit to this. Fuck them here. Holy shit. Move towards 12. G4, move into offense again. Yeah, move offense.
Yeah, I'm going
G6 stay.
offense.
G6
Just
stay.
make sure
They'll
that
send it.
Group 5
Try to drop the tree.
For the
Try
driver.
to, I'm gonna bomb on tree in 3, 2, 1. They're no counter bomb. Run. All anti-heals.
Look on Hakumi. Look. They're reviving. Cloud step on XPO and Hakumi.
Run. Horse. Immediately after start, you need to horse. We have 30 people here, bro. Just fucking spread. Play life.
Jungle in 60 seconds.
Full fucking play life.
Healing
Healing
all
ult.
three.
I'm resting it as well.
God.
Look on tree. Tree. Body blocking the tree.
We need some more people on 12.
Group 5 coming back.
No ult, I need to see.
Jungle in 40 seconds.
Yeah, group 5, come back. Group 5, we need you. I'm pulling in front of tree here.
I'ma go back
Pulling
to
in
the
front.
chicken.
Pulling in front.
We have to go back, yeah? For chickens?
Yeah.
I'm anti-healing the tree. I'm anti-healing the driver. Clean it up. Fast. Clean.
Everyone is back. Everyone is
Jungle in 20 seconds.
No spread.
Come.
Look on 12. Yeah.
Nice, 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 nice. Keep the pressure on 12. Keep the pressure on 12 here.
Running top.
Yeah, I'm just arriving to top jungle just now.
G4 is ready. G4 is ready. G4 got it. G5 stay here. G5 stay. Stay.
Okay.
Okay. Everybody into bot. Look to wipe them on bot jungle here. Look to wipe them on bot.
I got it. Holy.
Nice, nice, nice. G6 back to 3. I'm scared of them fucking 3 driving. Yeah.
I have all my cooldowns.
Yeah, it's fine. Boss will spawn in 1 minute. Boss in 1 minute. Wait, what?
Boss is dead, bro.
There's no boss.
Look on the choke point. I don't
Forget
know
what I
that.
said.
Yeah.
Like just in the choke.
Move towards offense. Move towards offense.
On the offense.
I'm pulling in front of 3 in 3, 2, 1. Fucking hell. Pulling now, pulling in front.
Like behind us, be careful. Like just behind us in the middle of the road.
Someone sniping the tree.
They're getting on tree.
Okay. Go back to 3. Go back to 3. Go back
Tree
to
wall.
3. Okay, and play from 6. Play from 6 to 12. Front to back.
Yeah, I'm
Healing ult on 12. Play in front of the mid choke. Nobody into the mid choke. Keep it up. We're completely demolishing them. Look into mid choke now. Free cast into mid choke. They're bombing. Spread. Play the sides. Don't stand in the middle of the lane.
I'm bombing again, close to the just underneath the arena. Like just on the choke point.
Look red tree. Yeah, look red tree. Pulling on red tree. Follow it. On red tree. And declump. Okay, we play behind red tree. Still play in front of mid
Play in
choke.
front of the tree, defensive play from the back.
Yeah, the
Super
stuns
stun.
are so
Yeah.
Keep it up. Play in
ridiculous.
front of the mid choke. Bro, this fuck ass
Stun.
fighting bug.
Yeah.
Jesus.
I've wasted my serene, bro.
Pulling right in front of middle choke.
Just bomb this shit to stagger them.
Nice.
Offense go 6.
Look on the roofs as well. Don't let them regroup. Jump them on the roofs. Everybody onto roofs. Make their life fucking...
Play spread here, play spread.
Jump them.
Head on our tree.
There's a driver.
Yeah, look on roofs.
Can I fight it?
Don't let them regroup. Everybody onto roofs. Disrupt them. Nice. Tree carriers dead. Keep on disrupting them on roofs. Keep it up. Okay. Guys, we have 10 people on 1 person. Look on red tree. Play from 12 to 6. I'm gonna pull behind red tree in 3, 2, 1. Pulling behind red tree. Pulling. Yeah,
Jungle in 60
Here,
seconds.
next to the tree.
6. Stay on the tree. Like
Points
7
for
jungle tree.
whatever you want.
GG. What are they feeding Hitman?
I don't think they
Jungle.